Hey there fellow home chefs and food lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we are all about making your kitchen experience enjoyable and efficient. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of kitchen gadgets and accessories, revealing our top picks for the best kitchen tools that will make your culinary adventures even more delightful. So, let's get started and explore these amazing must-haves for every kitchen. First up, we have the quintessential kitchen tool, a high-quality chef's knife. Our top pick is the 𝗧𝗛𝗧𝗘 Classic 8-inch chef's knife. Its razor-sharp edge, perfect balance, and ergonomic handle makes chopping, slicing, and dicing a breeze. Trust us, investing in a great knife is worth every penny. Next, we can't forget a good cutting board. The 𝗗𝗀𝗀𝗰𝗴𝗀𝗀 carving and cutting board is perfect for all your chopping needs. It's durable, non-slip, and features juice groups to catch any liquids, keeping your countertops clean and tidy. Now, let's talk about some essential tools for cooking and baking. A set of stainless steel measuring cups and spoons is crucial for precise ingredient measurements. Our favorite is the 𝗶𝗀𝗻 stainless steel measuring cup and spoon set. It's durable, accurate, and comes with a nifty storage ring. Another must-have for bakers is a silicone baking mat, like the 𝗡𝗙𝗪𝗏 Premium Non-Stick Silicone Baking Mat. Say goodbye to parchment paper and messy cleanups, as their reusable mat provides even heat distribution and easy release for all your baked goods. When it comes to mixing and whisking, nothing beats the convenience and efficiency of a KitchenAid stand mixer. This versatile appliance can handle everything from dough to meringues, and with a wide range of attachments available, it's truly the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, we recommend the 𝗗𝗀𝗀𝗰𝗴𝗀𝗀 11-inch balloon whisk. Its ergonomic handle and steady construction make wiping up batters, sauces, and dressing a breeze. Keeping your ingredients fresh and organized is essential for any kitchen. Our top pick for food storage containers is the Rubbermaid Brilliance Pantry Organization Set. These airtight containers are BPA-free, stackable, and come in various sizes, making them perfect for keeping your pantry tidy and your food fresh. To keep your fridge organized, we love the Greenco Stackable Refrigerator Storage Bins. These clear bins allow you to easily see what's inside, and their stackable design maximizes fridge space. Say goodbye to forgotten leftovers and hello to a more organized refrigerator. And now for some amazing time-saving gadgets. The Instant Pot Duo is a game changer for busy home cooks. The 7-in-1 multifunctional cooker can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, saute, and more, making meal prep a breeze. Another fantastic time-saving tool is the Microplane Premium Classic Zester and Grater. The sharp stainless steel tool effortlessly zests citrus and grates cheese, chocolate, and spices, adding a burst of flavor to your dishes with minimal effort. Last but not least, let's talk about cleaning and maintenance. The 𝗗𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 soap dispensing dish brush makes washing dishes a breeze. Its comfortable grip, built-in soap dispenser, and durable bristles make tackling even the toughest messes a cinch. For keeping your kitchen clean and germ-free, we recommend the eCloth Home Cleaning Set. These microfiber cloths are designed to remove dirt, grease, and bacteria with just water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Plus, they are machine washable and reusable, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. And there you have it, folks. Those were our top picks for the best kitchen accessories to elevate your cooking and baking experience. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook just starting out, these tools are sure to make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more kitchen tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!